In this video, I will show how to add password protection in PowerPoint. So open PowerPoint. Here click on Account. Here open your design. Now here open your PowerPoint presentation where you need to add password protection. Then click on File, Info, and here you will see control what type of changes people can make to this presentation. Click here and select Encrypt with Password. Require a password to open this presentation. Click here, enter. If you lose or forget the password, it can't be recovered. Make sure if you forget the password, so you are not able to recover that file. It is advisable to keep a list of passwords and their corresponding document names in a safe place. Remember that password are cache sensitive. So enter your password and re-enter. Then click on OK. Save it. So this is the basic way, guys, to add password protection in PowerPoint presentation. Thanks for watching. Share, like, and subscribe this channel.